Now next we have two more problems. These are again different type of problems. First is 4 into root of 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. So again, what do we have here is a simple equation which is already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We know a is equal to 4 root 3, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. And we know now we have to again split the middle term in a way that what happens, that the sum is equal to 5x and the product is equal to, again I am doing this in rough, the sum should be equal to 5x and the product should be equal to 4 root 3 x square into minus 2 root 3. So what happens is we multiply these two terms, we get 4 into 2, 8 into root 3 into root 3, that is into 3. So 8 into 3 is 24 x square. So this is minus 24 x square. We multiply this term and this term, we get minus 24 x square. So we have to find out a term whose sum is equal to 5x and whose product is equal to minus 24x. So we write 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x. So 8x minus 3x is 5x, 8x into minus 3x is minus 24x square. So we get this, we get these two things satisfied. So now we have this equation. What do we do now? We take something common from these two, whatever is common, and then take whatever is common from these two. So what is common in these two equations? That is 4x. So if we take 4x common from this, we get root 3x plus 2. Am I right? Minus, what do we take common from these? We take root 3 common. If we take root 3 common from these two equations, we are left with root 3x, because root 3 into root 3 is 3. So root 3x, root 3 into root 3x is so we have root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, right? So root 3 into root 3x is equal to 3x. So we have root 3 into root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Did you understand this? It's very easy. So we have this equation can be simplified into 4x minus root 3 and root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here there will be a plus sign because we've taken minus root 3 common. So there will be a plus sign over here. So minus root 3. So that the minus root 3 into 2 is minus 2 root 3. So we have 4x minus 3 and root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So either this term can be 0 or this term can be 0. This whole term will result in 0. So we have 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0 and we have root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So from these two equations, the values of x are root 3 by 4 and minus 2 by root 3. Okay, clear? Very easy to understand. Just if there are roots involved, you don't have to be afraid of those. You just have to multiply and you just have to split the middle term correctly and then check your answer from this step, because this term and this term are to be equal. After that, you just have to write this and this separately and then solve for x. It's very simple. Now we have the second part, which says x plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus x minus 2 upon x plus 2 equal to 3. Now we know that we have to get this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what do we do? First of all, we have to get this equation in this form. We take the LCM of these. So the LCM of these is x minus 1 into x plus 2, x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 3. Is this step clear? We just take the LCM and we write this like this. So we have x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 3 into x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now we have to multiply and simplify this equation. Now these two terms will come out to be equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, this term will come out to be equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. These are very simple calculations, you can do these yourself. Plus this term will come out to be equal to, we write 3 into x square plus x minus 2. Okay, this is again very simple. We multiply x square. Okay, so now these are the equations. This is the simplified form. We've just opened all the brackets. Now we again write this as x square plus, sorry, we just combine all the terms with x square, then with x, and then all the constants. So we have x square and x square, that is 2x square, plus 3x and x, that is 0. So x, these two terms are cut, plus we have 2 plus 2 is 4, is equal to 3x square plus 3x minus 6. So now we just take all these terms to this side, and we have 3x square minus 2x. So we have 3x square minus 2x square plus 3x minus 6 minus 4 equal to 0. Did you understand this step? I have just taken this term to this side and this term also to this side. This is 2x written this side, and this is minus 4, which is for this 4 coming to this side. So now we again simplify this and we get x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now we've simplified this to a very simple equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 10. Now again in the rough, what do we have to do is, we have to split the middle term in such a way that the product is equal to minus 10 into x square. So that is minus 10x square, this is the product, and the sum is equal to 3x. So how do we do that? We split the middle term into 5x minus 2x. So 5x into minus 2x is equal to minus 10x square, and 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. So we have x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. 5x minus 2x is 3x, 5x into minus 2x is minus 10x. So it's simple. So we have to take something common from these two and then something common from these two. So we take x common from these two. We have x into x plus 5, and from this we take minus 2 as common, and we have x plus 5 equal to 0. Now this term and this term are equal, so we've calculated it right, correct. So we have this equation can again, be written as x minus 2 into x plus 5 equal to 0. So we've reached the 0 product form. So we have either this term can be 0 or this term can be 0. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, we have x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 5. So, these are the two equations for which this equation is satisfied.